God bless our homeland, Ghana. Hello, lovely viewers. This is your girl Eveee. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients. And you know that, friends and family. So we are still in the Ghana month. We are still celebrating independence. And today we are celebrating with this chilled and refreshing Sobolo Zobo drink, also known as Bissap or Sorrel. In fact, it has lots of names, but the simplest and the most common one is Sobolo because it has received international award. So you know what? Let's get started. So I have 3 cups of my hibiscus flower, and then this is my powdered spices. Yeah, that is my grains of SELIM, cloves, black peppercorn, and the rest. So I'll be listing all in the description box so you check it out. Yeah, so I soak it and then set it aside for 24 hours. And this recipe, I am not going to boil it. I'm just teaching if you want to prepare sobolo for commercial base. This is how you're going to do it. So I have my ginger and my pepper. So I'll just blend it, and then I'll add it to my sobolo solution. So this is after 24 hours. You can see how thick and deep it is. The color is potent. Yeah, so I add my blended ginger and pepper, and then now it's time for me to do the straining. So I'm going to strain this 3 times. So let's go. So this after the 2nd strain. So we still go ahead for the 3rd strain. Yeah, you can see my sobolo is a lot because, like I said, this is how I make it for the family in larger quantity, especially if I'm having a local bar. So with this recipe, I'm not adding sugar. This is what I add to it. This is my sweetener. So I'll just add 3 of this. I'll list the quantity inch per water in the description box. So after adding, I'll also add some vanilla extract or pineapple or strawberry, depending on what you want, and then I stir. So Sobolo is a local non-alcoholic beverage in Ghana. It has lots and lots of health benefits. It boosts the immune system. It helps prevent constipation. It has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. It also helps reduce cholesterol. It has vitamin C, and then it helps lose weight. So for me, I don't joke with my sobolo at all. Yeah. So at this point, I just taste, and then everything is perfect. So in my calabash, I have my cubes, some lemon, apple, pineapple. So I am going to just pour in my sobolo that is ready for serving. Yeah. Sobolo also aids digestion, and then it soothes cold. So with that, you need to drink it warm or hot. Just look at how thick it is. Very simple to prepare. This one, no wasting of gas or fire. You just soak it overnight and you are good to go. It's potent, it is sweet, it is solid, and it is so colorful. Just look at how vibrant the color is. Wouldn't you love to try this? So if you want to do sobolo business, just follow this recipe and you are gonna love it. So this is how I serve for my local bar. So you can see I am serving my people. So we are using the calabash because we are still celebrating Ghana. So I believe you like this video. Just give your girl some thumbs up, and then comment and subscribe. Okay, I want to use this opportunity to thank all of you guys for how far we have come. It's the doing of the Lord, and it is so marvelous in my eyes. If you are new to my channel, kindly click on the notification button so that anytime I post a new video, you will be notified. And thank you for joining. And also I want to thank my returning viewers for the support. I love you guys. You can see I am pairing mine with some pizza here. Yes, because it is Ghana month. Thank you, and see you in our next video. Bye bye.